Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we will do a quick unboxing for this DJI Mavic 2 zoom with a 5 more combo kit. I just received this today, so we will do a quick unboxing for this zoom first, then only we open up this 5 more combo kit. So actually I decided to purchase this zoom version because of this zoom version do have some features like a dolly zoom, and also with a optical zoom as well. So that box also have a new design. It's not like a first generation Mavic Pro. So open up here. So okay, the box comes with this aircraft. A bit heavy than Mavic 1 version. Remote control. So we take out all first. So here another box, and this is another box, and there are 3 boxes. Okay, let me see inside what the boxes inside to have. I think this is a cable. Okay, so this is a USB Type-C cable, and these 2 extra cable is for this remote control. This is a USB Type-C to micro USB connector. And this is a spare joystick. So this is a charger with a power cord. And this is propellers and a user menu. Okay, this is a user menu. So the user menu we go through later. So the remote control basically almost like same with this DJI Mavic 1 version, and a bit bigger than the previous version. Also a bit heavy also. So this Mavic 2 zoom, the build quality is much more better than the version 1. As you can see, they have a lot of sensor. This sensor on the top, at the back, and also side. Both sides also have. Then bottom also have this sensor with this two LED light, so at night flight you can save when during landing. So actually the build quality is much more better than the Mavic 1. Also that this is a new version battery, bigger than before. This is a 4S battery, and the battery indicator is now changed to become a button here. The last time is this area. So now don't have a battery, we will charge later on. The flipping also same like Mavic 1. So the gimbal is much more better than Mavic 1. It now look very solid, very good quality. And the good thing is now this Mavic 2 we purchase zoom version. Later on we can buy that Pro version 1-inch sensor. Then we can replace it. Just open up a few screws, you can update the gimbal. Okay, so why we need to buy a 5 more combo kit? Because if only one battery, we are not enough to fly. So that's why we purchase this 5 more combo kit. The 5 more combo kit also come with this bag, so you can store your aircraft inside. So the quality very nice, very good. Compared to Mavic version 1, this is much more better than the previous one. So inside here got this is the connector for the power bank. This is the strap for this bag. Battery charging hub. And this in-car charger. And then inside have a 2 battery. So all the battery is empty, so we need to charge. So the bag comes with instruction. You can follow the instruction to keep your Mavic 2. So we will go through later because you just need a spec check. See everything correct or not. So this is a 5-mode combo with the Mavic 2. And then we see that the extra props, I think, should be inside here. Yes, this is inside. So this is the extra box. So the remote control looks like Mavic A. So the stick you can removable and put inside here to keep. %. So remember, first time after you fully charge, you need to do a firmware update and download the latest version DJI Go 4 apps to support your iOS or Android. So the pre-installed cable is for iOS, and then this holder, the new one, now they have a 2 gap. So you can, if you are using iOS, it can press that home button. It won't block that home button side. The rest all is same. So this side button now they have a 3 position switch. The middle one is for P mode, and then sport mode. Then T is for tripod mode. So this is today we do a quick unboxing for this Mavic 2 soon. Stay tuned for upcoming for this flight test. Thank you for watching.